There is a real common mistake that beginners make when drawing the eye that I named Medusa's head syndrome. Because no matter how great your drawing is becoming, when you get to the eyelashes, the result's gonna be like this. And if it have already happened to you someday, I don't want to judge you, of course, because it's also happened to me when I was beginning. What I want is to tell you how to solve this problem. What you must know is that the eyelashes make a lot of difference on the eye construction, and it's one of the more important details that make it beautiful or not. And the reason why the realistic drawing beginner can't do this well, because he still doesn't have a good perception of details that should be drawn, not understanding shapes and positions, and then the drawing don't get a good result. And it happens to every part of the drawing, not only eyelashes. And the only way of changing your understanding about what you're drawing is practicing and failing, or when someone teaches you how to do this. So now I'm gonna give you a tip for you to learn how to solve this problem or to avoid making mistakes. The difference between these eyelashes from that second one is that the wrong eyelashes is curving to the sides when it should be curving up instead. So remember, always when you draw the eyelashes, make it curving up or curving down, and also draw the line taking the pencil out of the paper. And the eyelashes from the bottom part, you should draw the line curving down, and is actually shorter than the upper part. Also, the eyelashes is shorter in the inner corner than the other part. It's a really perfect rule that if you follow, all of your eye drawings will look natural. And then you can prepare yourself to start shading your drawing and make it more realistic.